Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Prestige B, and in today's video you could already tell from the title and the intro that I'm going to be doing a basic to baddie makeup tutorial. I never did it before. I don't think, no, I don't recall doing a basic to baddie makeup look, but today's the day. And this was a little bit difficult. You guys will see it in the video, and I did not edit it. I'll let you guys see the struggles that we go through to get this video looking nice and flawless. But it was a struggle. It came out good. I love the color of the eyes and the lips. Ooh, she juicy. I love it. But yes, I'm going to show you guys how I get this look. So make sure you already are subscribed and turn on your bell so that you can get notified as soon as I upload. All right, so yeah, let's jump right into this video. Ooh, damn. Okay guys, so I did my eyebrow off camera, and as usual, I used my concealer. So I took it down all the way to my eyelid. All right, so my lips is dry and my face is dry. What's new here? So for primer, I just did a video, so this is my second video. So I'm out of it right now. So if I mumble and jumble my words, please forgive me. I'm not crazy. I promise you I'm not. So I'm gonna go in with my Pods moisturizer for dry skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and just rub it in. I'm putting a lot today because, as I said, I just did a video and I washed my face off, and you know, my face is really dry right now, like seriously dry. I don't know what's going on, and it's gonna get drier because the winter is coming. So my skin, oh boy, I'm gonna have a lot of problem with my skin. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into the Hydra Primer from NYX. This is a primer, but it feels like moisturizer. So I'm only gonna put it right to my nose and my T-zone. And you guys already saw my intro. I'm gonna do a basic to baddie makeup tutorial. I never did that before. I never did that before. I never did a basic to baddie makeup tutorial. So today's the day, and I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna start with my eyes as usual. And for this, I'm gonna go into the Dare to Create Morphe palette. I'm buying some more eyeshadow palette because I see some on Juvia's Place that they come out with some new one, and I'm gonna go ahead and get some because you guys know I love Juvia's Place and their eyeshadow is bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and order me some right after this video. But I have to hurry up and do this makeup tutorial. I really don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I have to go get my daughter from school. So I really have to I have like 45 minutes to do this. And normally it takes me an hour to 2 to do a makeup look. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So for my first shade, I'm gonna go into this nice shade right here. It's a transition shade. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it right onto the outer corner and then blend it in. It's really pretty, really nice, cool shade. All right, so I'm gonna take that and just blend it, and I'm gonna go into like a C curve motion. So I'm gonna bring it all the way in here. Just blend as I pack it on because the Morphe palette is pigmented too. So you don't have to put a lot at once because it still go on really pigmented. So I'm gonna blend it, bring it up a little bit, and then feather it out to the side. I'm so thirsty. I hope y'all get y'all metal straw so you could save the turtles, okay? Save the turtles. Get your metal straw. I got this from Amazon. Everything I bought from Amazon. I'm gonna tell you later on. I'm gonna tell you why I buy stuff from Amazon a lot. I can't tell you now, but it's coming. Okay, so I bought these metal straw. It came with 6 in a pack. with a cleaner. So it have like a little brush that you could go into it and clean inside. It comes with that and 6 of these, and I pay less than $10 for it. So go get your metal straw from Amazon. Okay, so next shade I want to go into, whoa, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna take this shade right here. I think I'm gonna play with these 3 colors right here. This one is really calling my name for the lid. It really is. So I'm gonna go in with this shade first and then this one. And I'm gonna take it onto a smaller brush. And I'm gonna focus that right into the eye socket right here. And tap it on first. And I wanna create like a V shape or something. I'm gonna blend it, like smoke it out a little bit. And just work your way in. First, tap it on. And I'm not gonna bring it all the way in. And then what I'm gonna do, wipe off my brush and then blend out the top part. Just smoke it out so that there's no harsh line. You could go ahead and use another brush, but all of my brushes are dirty because I just did a makeup video. And I uploaded that yesterday, so if you guys have not watched that, go ahead and watch it right after this. It's really fun, really fun. So I'm gonna blend it out. Okay guys, so now that it's all blended out, I'm really just going with the flow right now because as I said, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but the intro tell you exactly what I'm gonna do. So you guys already know what I'm gonna do, but I really don't. I really don't. Okay, my brushes are so dirty. All right, so next I'm gonna go into, what shade am I gonna go into? I'm gonna wet my brush first because as I said, I wanna play with this nice cranberry shade right here. I'm using my Mario Badescas. And I think I'm gonna put this right on the lid. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm gonna put it right on the lid. Ooh, pretty. She is pretty. So I think, you know what? I'm gonna cut my eyelid. Hold on a second. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my lid. I'm taking the NARS concealer. Okay guys, so I thought I was recording my voice, but I was not. So what I'm saying is that I did use my fingers. I was showing you guys, but you didn't hear me. But I was using my fingers to put it on it, and the concealer was coming off my lid. So that's what I was saying. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it with that Patrick Star powder. And I'm not gonna edit this part out so that you guys can see what we go through. It is not a joke. It is really, like, we put work into this. We really do. And I'm gonna go ahead. This is a nice color, really nice color. Oh yeah, now it's holding on. Like now it is packing on. Okay guys, so I know I look scary right now, but I'm gonna go over it with this nice shimmer color right here. It's similar to this shade that I do, but I'm gonna go over it with a shimmer color because it looks weird. It looks really weird right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pop it on so that it look much better, because this right now is looking super duper weird. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go into this nice dark shade right here, and I'm gonna put that right onto the outer corner just so that they could get married together and have babies. This look is kind of looking weird right now, but I promise you it's gonna turn out good at the end. Really, really nice. Okay, so now that the wing is on, I'm gonna go ahead and use my mascara, and you guys already know what I'm gonna use if I can find it on my messy dresser. Oh god, it is so messy right now. I wish you could see it. No, I don't want you to see it. It's really, really messy. Okay, so I'm gonna pop some lashes on, and then I'm gonna zoom out so that you guys can see what I'm gonna put on my face. All right guys, so while the lashes is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC Sorb cream, and it's very like illuminating, like it gives a nice sheen, shimmery look right underneath your foundation. So pretty much I'm gonna put it all over my skin. Oh my god, look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but you see that? That's what I'm talking about. Like, I love this. Oh god, I put the whole thing in my face. The fallout, I forgot that I have fallout on my face, and look, all over my entire face. Oh lord. Okay, I got it fixed. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put it all over. And then for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet. Really nice. Even though it's velvet, and you guys know I do have dry skin, it does not feel dry on my skin at all. I bought it at Sephora last year, and it matches me to the T. What shade am I in? If I can find the shade, I will let you know. 7N02. Oh, number 80. It just say number 80. I don't know if that's the correct shade, but as you can see, like, look at that. Oh, she is pretty, really pretty. Okay guys, so the lashes is on. It's not fully completely dry because they were acting up. The side was coming off, this was coming off. I had to put on more glue, so if they're looking lift, the glue is not completely dry on it. So we struggle, don't get us wrong, we struggle. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into my Tarte Shape Tape. This one is in deep, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that right under my eyes and wherever I normally conceal. And then on top, I'm gonna take my next shade, which is lighter than me. This one is in Tan Sand, and put it right into the center. Ooh, look at that under eye. That under eye is looking juicy. Okay, so next I'm gonna go back into my Patrick Star, and hurry up and set that before it starts creasing up on me. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna press it in really good, like all the way up in there. Like, press that baby in. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC in NW45 just to brush off all that powder off my face and set the entire face with this. Oh, she pretty. She really pretty. Okay guys, so before I spray my face, because right now my face is dry as hell. Whoo, it's dry. I'm gonna go into my powder contour, and I'm gonna go ahead and just lightly contour my cheeks. So next I'm gonna go back into my mascara, Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go ahead and use my blush, and I'm only gonna use the center one right here. The center one is more brighter, it's more dramatic, so I'm gonna take a smaller brush just so that I can get into the center, because I normally blend both of these colors together. I never try this one ever. This is like a cream contour too. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just pat it on. It's, whoa, it's pigmented. Wow, okay. You don't need a lot at all. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go into my e.l.f. for my highlights, and I love this highlight so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it onto a brush and just stamp it on. Look at that. Oh shit, she lit. Yeah, she is lit. This is so pretty, so nice. Like, have you guys ordered this already? If you're not, you need to go. This is not sponsored, you guys know. I don't get shit. I don't get PR. Okay, so this e.l.f. thing here, you need to go get this. This is really, really nice, especially for dark skin girls. Oh my God. Like, can you see that? Don't look at my edges though, okay? Do not look at my edges, okay? All right, so what's next? Lips. So for lips, I'm gonna go into something bold, like really bold. It's good for the fall because it's fall. So I'm gonna go into Patrick Star Brick, and then I'm gonna go into ColourPop. This one is called Saturday. Nice. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and line the lips first. Ooh, this is a very vampy lip. I love it. Ooh, girl. This is really good for the fall. So I'm gonna go into my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. Okay guys, so this is a finished look. I hope you enjoy this makeup tutorial from basic to baddie. I am in love with this. This is very vampy. The lips is very fall, it's very wintry, and I am enjoying with this makeup look. I hope you enjoy too. Don't forget to leave me a comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this look. What other look you want me to do next? I will do it for you guys. Just leave it in the comment section, and pretty much this is it. I have nothing else to say. I have to go pick up my daughter right now from school. She will call me and say, hey, what's going on? Where are you? So yeah, I have to go, guys. Don't forget to check me out every single day now, I guess. I don't know. I'll try. Do I have something on my teeth? Yes, I do. But don't forget to check me out. Turn on your bell so as soon as I upload, you guys will get that notification. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.